4:45 in the morning. 10 more minutes and we're gonna go see the sunrise.
Un poco de aceite para que me veas.
The oil spilled everywhere. So we have no fuel.
We have no oil. Well, there goes our help. Our engine has failed. We are on the Nipple River.
Napo.
We have some gasoline pouring out into the Napo River. We have resorted to Stephanie steering the front of the boat. Oh, one more thing. We have water leaking into the boat as well. The boat could go down if we don't empty it out every hour, maybe. How long did a Titanic take to sink?
Less than 2.
Less than 2? So, about 45 seconds. No big deal. Let's go see what the motor's doing.
We're gonna be out here for a while. We need to go this way, right?
No, we were going
Well,
this way.
it's moving that way.
That way to the Amazon.
Which way do we go? We just stopped at another Amazon lodge. One of the guys here, he's gonna sell us some oil. I had to lend over 10 soles to get our engine fixed so we can keep going on our trip.
I know.
He didn't. I thought he did.
Sí, esperamos que son cosas que nunca se piensa lo que va a pasar.
Eso pasa,
¿no?
sí.
Look at that. Sure did.
Masato. This one, she wanna prepare with the yuca. You know the yuca?
What town is this called? What's the name of this town?
Yanayacu Timicuro.
Yanayacu Timicuro?
Timicuro.
Timicuro.
Yanayacu Timicuro.
That's what town we're in right now. It's quaint and quiet. That was super cool. This is the hour before ayahuasca.
I have no idea what to expect.
had a pretty good feel what it's like to live in the Amazon jungle for 4 days and 3 nights, with 1 night of ayahuasca, plenty of other nights full of many other adventures. Can't wait to see what's going to be next when we head to Cusco and Machu Picchu. And we totally just got our tour guide